Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I remain Mr. Abiola, your favorite math teacher. Today we are going to learn how to divide larger numbers. That means that you'll be given bigger numbers and then you'll be told to divide them. Now let's look at this very first question. We have 9,812 divided by 45. Now I will start with the first digit, which is 9. 9 divided by 45, is it possible? No, it's not possible because 9 is smaller than 45. Now, because it's not possible, I'll write 0 at the top and then I'll do 2 digits, which is 98. Now, how many times can 45 go into 98? 45 and 98 are very close. So, because they are very close, I will start from 1. Will 1 work? So, you do 45 times 1, and this gives you what? 45. 1 actually works because 45 is smaller than 98. Okay? But that doesn't mean that I can just go to the top and write 1. I will have to confirm with a bigger number, which is 2. So you do 45 times 2, and that gives you what? 90. Now, 90 is equally smaller than 98. That means that 2 also worked. But that doesn't mean I can just go to the top and write 2. No, I will have to confirm with a bigger number, which is 3. So 45 times 3 will give us what? 135, okay? And 135 is bigger than 98. That means that 3 didn't work. So we can use 2. You write 2 at the top, then you multiply. 45 times 2, that gives 90. So you write 90 under 98, and then you subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8, 9 minus 9 is 0, okay? Now, you bring down the next digit, which is 1. Don't forget that. You bring down the next, which is 1. Anytime you bring down a digit, you must divide. So, how many times can 45 go into 81? From the multiplication we've done here, you can see that 45 can only go into 81 only 1 times. So you write 1 at the top, and then when you multiply, 45 times 1 is 45. Then you subtract now. 1 minus 5 not possible. You take 1 from 8, 7 is left. That 1 that you took, put it here to make 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay, 7 minus 4 is 3, then 0. Then you bring down the last digit, which is 2. Now, when you bring down a digit, you must divide. So, how many times can 45 go into 362? Now, 45 and 362, they are not close at all. 362 is way bigger than what? 45. So, this time around, I will not start from 1. I will rather start from 9. Okay? Now, so you do 45 times 9, and that will give you what? Look at it. 9 times 5 is 45. Write 5, put 4 at the top. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus the 4 on top, you have 40. Now, 405 is bigger than 362. That means that 9 didn't work. So you use a smaller number, which is 8. Okay? 8 times 5 is 40. Write 0, put 4 at the top. Then you do 8 times 4, which is 32. 32 plus the 4 on top, you have 36. 360 is smaller than 362. That means that 8 worked. So you write 8 at the top. Okay? So 45 times 8, which is 360, which you will write at the bottom. And then when you subtract, what will you have at the end? 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay? Then 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0, 0. Now the remainder is 2. So you write remainder 2 at the top. The 0 you have in the answer, you can cancel it because it doesn't have any value. So the answer is 218. Remainder 2. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. That is something you should not forget to do. Bye.